Before you view our YouTube video, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and tapping the bell icon so that you'll be the first one to know when we post the new videos.
Hello everyone, welcome to Sam's Healthy Food channel. Today I'm going to make panzanella. This is an Italian bread salad. This is versatile. You can throw in any vegetable what is left over in your fridge. You can use up any vegetable in this. For this I have cut up 2 bread slices. These are old bread slices you can use. I have cut it into squares and I toasted it for about 8 minutes in the oven. You can even toast it in the pan without any oil. This is just to make it a little bit harder so that it won't get squeegee when you put it in the salad with other vegetables. And here I've got red peppers. I de-seeded it and sliced it very thinly. And I've got yellow peppers as well, de-seeded and thinly sliced. And I've got carrots. Half a carrot I have sliced thinly. And this is courgette. Half a courgette I have sliced it thinly. And this is aubergine. In US, in some parts of the world, it's called eggplant. I have thinly sliced that as well. And I've got 2 shallots, the small onions finely chopped. And I've got 2 garlic pods, that is also finely chopped. And I've got salt and pepper. This is as per your requirement. It is as to taste. And you can use any cheese. I've got red Leicester cheese for today. It's a very strong and tasty cheese. I'm going to use that. And this is basically a sweet and sour bread salad. So for the sourness, I'm going to use the white wine vinegar. You can also use red wine vinegar as well. That works well too. And I've got extra virgin olive oil for the frying. And I'm going to use just 1 spoon of sugar for giving the sweet taste, since it is a sweet and sour salad. I'm heating the pan now. And once the pan is hot, add about 3 teaspoons of oil, 3 teaspoons olive oil. When the oil is hot, always first fry the garlic so the raw smell will go away. I'm going to fry it just until it's golden brown. One thing about garlic is always cut it before 10 minutes before you use. They say that it's good for digestion. It releases something acidic which is not good if you eat it immediately. So you have to cut it 10 minutes before you're going to eat or before you're going to use in any cooking. So when you cook it, it's easy for digestion. It's not too strong. It reduces cholesterol in our body. It regulates our blood. Now the garlic is lightly golden brown. I'm going to add the shallots. When the shallot has to fry nicely. The onion has fried nicely. All that raw smell has gone away. Now I'm going to add carrot slices. Cook this carrot for about 2 minutes. Carrot has been cooking for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add aubergine, courgettes, red peppers, and the yellow peppers as well. Fry it for a bit. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper to it. and I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. This will nicely caramelize it. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. If you have red wine vinegar, that's fine too. This will give the nice sourness to it. Now this has to cook for about another 5 minutes. Now the vegetables have all finely cooked through. I'm not going to cook it completely to destroy the vitamins and nutrition in that. It's only half cooked. All the water has evaporated. That's what I want, because I don't want the salad to be watery or the bread will get very soggy. This is perfect now. Take it off from the heat. I've switched it off. The vegetables are all cooked through. And what you do is, this is the bread we already made, toasted bread. Place it in a serving dish at the bottom of the dish. And put the vegetables at the top. Just put all the vegetables here. Spread it out nicely. All the vegetables go like that. And I've got some fresh basil leaves. This is optional. That's why I didn't mention that in the ingredients. But I always like a bit of basil leaves in all the Italian cooking. So just tear it up and put it on top. And this is the Leicester cheese. I'm going to sprinkle some at the top of the salad. You can use Parmesan cheese too. It's a very simple and very easy salad. Traditionally, this salad, Panzanella, is made only from tomatoes, no other vegetables. But I always think more vegetables is good for health and it's good for weight loss as well. That's why I have made this variation in our house. We always do this. That's Panzanella for you. Please try this recipe in your home and leave your comments down here below the video. Thank you for watching my video.
If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips on weight loss, subscribe to the channel.